Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the 4-variable K-map. Okay, ma? 4-variable K-map. That means for SOP functions, we are taking the 4-variable K-map and we reduce the expression. Okay? So suppose if POS function is given, then how to do the reduction of function by using K-map? Okay, here SOP, that is min terms. Remember this, SOP means min terms. Okay, ma? SOP means sum of products that will be represented in min terms. The function will be given like this, summation m of. Okay, ma? Summation small m of, like this. The function is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, like this. Okay, ma? If sum of products is given. Suppose POS, product of sum, is given. POS means this is belongs to max terms. Okay, ma? POS belongs to max terms. So the function will be represented in the form of pi. Pi m, product of sum. Okay, na? Pi m of, here we are having 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. In this way, we are having POS function. Okay, we are trying to reduce the given functions. So if SOP will be there, then we are placing 1 in the corresponding cell and group the adjacent ones. Okay, if POS function is given, then we are placing zeros in the corresponding cells and grouping adjacent zeros. Do you remember? POS means we are putting zeros in the corresponding cells and we are grouping adjacent zeros. Okay, ma? So in the previous class, SOP is completed with the examples. Okay, for 4-variable K-map. So for POS also the same procedure, but the thing is, the difference is here placing zeros. Okay, ma? Now in this class, we start the 5-variable K-map. Okay, ma? 5-variable K-map. Okay, otherwise we are doing one problem for 4-variable K-map for POS terms also. Okay, after that we start the 5-variable K-map. Okay, ma? The function f is equal. Now we are doing the 4-variable K-map for POS function. Okay, the function f is equal to pi m. POS means representation is pi m. Okay, ma? Pi m of 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Okay, this is the POS function. How we know this is belongs to POS? By taking pi. By observing this pi, we know this is belongs to POS function. Okay, ma? So draw the K map, general K map for 4 variables. Here we are taking 4 variables. The variables will be taking as A, B, C, D. Okay, ma? A, B, C, D. So what are the combinations here? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember this sequence. This is belongs to gray code. Are you remember? In gray code only we are having one bit change for the successive numbers. Okay? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. If you are taking the corresponding values in the cells, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you remember the general K map? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, ma. Now observe the given function. So in the given function, we are having the cell values. Here we are putting zeros. Okay, ma. 2. 2 means which cell? This cell. So here we are placing 0. Okay, ma. Next 8. 8 here. Okay. Place 0. Next 9 here. Place 0. Okay. 10. 10 where? Here. Put 0. Next 11. Okay. Next 12. Here. 14. Here. Okay, ma? So now try to group this. How to group this? First we are trying. What are the maximum number of cells here? 16 maximum number of cells are here. Is there any 16 zeros possibility is there? No, because some blocks are, some cells are empty here. Okay, some cells are empty. So not possible for 16 number of zeros. Okay, next go to octet. That is 8 number of adjacent zeros is possible. So is there any 8 number of adjacent zeros? No. Okay, so that is also not possible. Next we are trying to get the group as quad. Quad means 4 number of zeros. Okay, is there any possibility for grouping 4 number of adjacent zeros? Yes. So what are the groups here? See here. Is this belongs to 4 adjacent zeros? Okay. This is group 1. Okay. This is group 1. Next, what about this 0 and this 0 here? So is there quad possibility is there? Yes. How? These two zeros. These two zeros. Okay. Adjacent. 12, 8, 14, 10. Okay. 12, 8, 14, 10. These are adjacent zeros. Okay, ma? So this is group 2. Next, which is remaining here? This 2, 2, 0. Okay, at the cell number 2, we are having 1, 0. So is there any quad possibility for this 0? No. So is there any pair possibility? Then go to pair possibility. So is there any pair possibility here? Yes. So this 0 and this 0. So one pair possibility is there. This is Z3. Okay, ma? Are you understand here? So 3 groups are there. 2 quad groups, 1 pair group. So here the simplified function is equal to this is POS term. POS, remember this. Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3. Okay, ma? So this is the simplified function here. So take G1. So this is Z1. Okay, 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, this group belongs to Z1. For this group, what is the combination for AB? What is the combination for AB? 1, 0. Okay, only 1, 0. One combination is only here. That's why this 1, 0 will be taking. Here, G1 means that will be taking as sum. So, AB values are 1, 0. Here, in product of sums, if 0 is the value, then we are taking uncomplemented form. If 1 is the value, then we are taking the complemented form. Are you remember? Inversely, we are taking. Okay, ma, 0 is the variable value, then that will be taking in uncomplemented form. Okay. If 1 is the value, then that will be taking as complement. That is, remember here. Okay. So here only 1, 0. A value is 1. That's why A bar plus B value is 0. So B. What about CD variables? This group is totally covers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So that means here C plus D plus C plus D bar plus C bar plus D bar plus C bar plus D. Totally covered. Totally this row is completed. That's why that value is 1. Okay, ma? So leave it. Okay. So this is Z1, group 1. Okay. Next, take group 2. Take group 2. Here group 2 means this is group 2. Okay. 12, 8, 14, 10. Okay. This is group 2. For here, what about AB values? 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, ma, which is common here? 1. This 1 is common here. So this 1 belongs to which variable? This 1 belongs to which variable? A variable. A equal to 1 means how that will be taking? A bar. How representing? A bar plus CD values. What about CD variables? So this belongs to, this group 2 belongs to 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0. Which is common here? This second 0 is common in both the combinations. Okay, so this second 0 belongs to which variable? D variable. D equal to 0 means that will be represented as D. Okay, A bar plus D. Okay, ma? Plus into, sorry, into, this is Z2. Okay, this is Z1. This is Z2. Z3. Z3 means here this and this. Okay, ma? So that means 2, 10. 2, 10. The cell number 2 and the cell number 10. This belongs to a pair group. So here, what about AB variables? What are the combinations? Two combinations, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Which is common here? This 0 is common. Okay, Amma? This 0 is common. This is belongs to which variable? B variable. That is B equal to 0. B equal to 0 means that will be represented as B. Okay? Plus, what about CD variables? Only one combination. See here, 2, 10. 2, 10. Only one combination. That is 1, 0 combination only. Okay? That's why C is 1. C is 1 means C bar plus D is 0. That's why plus D. Okay? So this total is Z3. Okay, ma? Are you understand how to simplify the POS expression by using 4 variable K-map? Okay? So in this way, we are doing the 4 variable K-map for POS expressions. Okay, that is max terms. Max terms. POS means max terms. Okay. Now in this class we start the 5 variable K-map. Okay, ma? 5 variable K-map. So if you observe here, or you understand this? I erase this now. Okay, so 5 variable K-map. Here we are taking 5 variables. How to take the general K-map for 5 variables means here totally 5 variables. So how many maximum number of cells here? How many maximum number of cells here? 2 power 5. 2 power 5. That is 32. Okay, 2 power 5 means 32 maximum number of cells here. Okay, ma? That is from 0 to 31. Okay, if the representation in binary form, 0 means here we are using 5 bits, 5 variables. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is the least combination. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is the binary value for 31. Okay, ma? So how to get this, how to take these combinations means just a simple way how to remember. I explain now. Okay. See, suppose if you are taking two variables, then 2 square, 4 combinations are getting. Okay, 4 combinations are getting. So here, this is 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this way we are taking the 4 combinations. Okay, Like that here. If you are taking three variables, then 0 to 7 combinations. If you observe here 0 to 7, so here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For the first four, all are zeros. For the next four, all are ones. Okay, are you understand? If we are taking four variables, if you are taking four variables, how the combinations will be getting? How the combinations will be getting here? 0 0 0 2 1 1 1. Okay, here also the same 0 0 0 2 1 1 1. Okay, totally eight combinations. Okay, for the first 8 combinations, we are putting zeros. Actually, this is not the correct procedure, but for remembering, this is very easy. Okay, for the second 8 bits, for the second 8 combinations, we are putting 1. Okay, so this is easily remembered by using this 8421 code also. 8421. Okay, this is in this way we are getting the 4-bit combinations. Okay, if you are taking the 5-bit combinations, 0 to 31. Okay, 0 to 31. That means here, see here. So 0 to 15 already we know. Okay, 0 0 0 0 2 1 1 1 1. Okay, here also 16 combinations. 0 0 0 2 1 1 1 1. Okay, for the first 16 combinations we are taking all zeros. MSBBT is 0. For the next 16 combinations, MSBBT is 1. Okay, so 5 variable, that is, see here, 16 8 4 2 1. So this is also easy way to remember the combinations here. Okay, so now we are taking the general K-map for 5 variables, that is here A, B, C, D, E. Okay, here also A, B, C, D, E. Okay, ma? Okay, now that is, for A equal to 0, we are having 16 number of cells. For A equal to 1, we are having 16 number of cells. 16 number of combinations means each combination 1 cell. Okay, so if you draw the K-map for the 5 variables, see the 5 variable K-map. Okay, so this is the 5 variable K-map. Here A equal to 0, here A equal to 1. Okay, so A next to here we are taking BC, DE. BC here in this side, DE will be taking another side. The combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, ma. So the same four variable will be taking here also, but the value of A will be taking as 1. Okay, based on the combinations in each cell, we are getting the values, these values 0 1 2 3 like that. Okay, see here we are taking now Okay, we draw. Then you will understand how to take the 5 variable K map. Okay, so take first A equal to 0 for 16 number of cells. Okay, A equal to 1 for 16 number of cells. Okay, ma? The combinations here, the variables will be taking as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Here we are taking B, C. Here we are taking D. Okay, ma? As usual, the series is here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Here also BC is taking one side, D is taking another side. Okay. So the combinations are 0, 0. Okay. Two variables here. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. See the combinations in each cell. Here B, C, D, E. Write down B, C, D, E values here. Okay. Here the variables are B, C, D, E. So write down 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Here BC is 0, 0. D is 0, 1. Okay. Here also BC is 0, 0. D is 1, 1. Okay. Here BC is 0, 0, 1, 0. Here BC is 0, 1. D is 0, 0. Okay. Here 0, 1, 0, 0. Sorry. Zero, 1, 0, 1. Okay, ma? Here BC is 0, 1. D is 1, 1. BC is 0, 1. D is 1, 0. Okay, like this we are having. Okay, here what about a value in this cell? What about a value in this cell? A value is 0 for all these 16 number of combinations. For all these block, a value is 0. That's why a value is 0 in front of this. Okay, ma? 0. A value is 0. Okay, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0. For all this, like this, we are taking BCDE combinations and putting MSB bit as 0 because here A equal to 0. If you observe this combination is here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 1. This is 3. This is 2. Okay, like this. Okay, see here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As usual, 4 variable came out. Okay. Now, see here. Here also, we are taking BC combinations. Okay. BC, DE combinations. Here, 0, 0. BC is 0, 0. DE is 0, 0. Here, BC is 0, 0. D is 0, 1. Okay, the same combinations like this only we are getting here also. Here, what is MSB bit? MSB bit is 1. Okay, Amma? A equal to 1. That's why for all the combinations we are putting 1. Okay, we are putting 1. Then we are taking the combination 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 means this is equivalent to 16. Okay, this is equivalent to 17. Next, here if we are taking the combination, here we are getting 18. Here we are getting 19. Okay, Amma? 19. Next, 20. Okay, 21. 22 here. Okay, next, 23. Like this. See here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Based on the combinations, we are getting these numbers. Okay, are you understand here how to get this? See that individually. Okay, this is the general K map for 5 variables. Okay, ma? Yes, it is. This is 4 variable. This is 4 variable. 4 variables BCDE, BCDE. Here, the 5th variable is A. That is MSB beta. That is MSB beta. So for this